PRTG Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very short 1 minute video, so watch till the very end. Starting off saying that 15% increase in price today is phenomenal, and still if I zoom out, this puts me on a pretty decent bullish idea right now. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with the most proof documented, and this thing here, I'm still looking to take it up. Now people are over complicating stuff all the time. I mean, I've been in this for 5 years, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. This is not what I'm telling you to do, but the more I've been in the game, the more I figured out that there's really nothing to force. Unless there's that little pull down and a confirmation, you're not going to see me buying randomly. And I'm definitely keeping an eye with setting alerts as well. So if you want to stay tuned with PRTG and want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.